Cars Drive Sphere brings you an in-depth review of the 2025 Mazda 3, a compact car that continues to impress with its blend of style, performance and technology. As one of the most refined options in its segment, the Mazda 3 offers a premium feel with an engaging driving experience, making it a standout choice for those who appreciate both aesthetics and performance. The exterior design follows Mazda's Kodo design philosophy, featuring sleek lines, a bold front grille and striking LED headlights that give it a sophisticated yet sporty appearance. Whether in sedan or hatchback form, the Mazda 3 maintains its reputation for being one of the best-looking cars in its class. Under the hood, the 2025 Mazda 3 offers multiple engine options, including the efficient naturally aspirated 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine producing around 191 horsepower and the turbocharged variant that delivers up to 250 horsepower with premium fuel. The Skyactiv technology ensures excellent fuel efficiency, while the available all-wheel drive system provides enhanced stability and traction. Paired with either a smooth 6-speed automatic or a sporty 6-speed manual transmission, the Mazda 3 offers an engaging and dynamic driving experience. The precise steering and well-tuned suspension contribute to a balanced and responsive ride, making it fun to drive on both city streets and winding roads. Inside the cabin, the Mazda 3 offers a premium experience with high-quality materials and a driver-centric layout. Soft touch surfaces, leather upholstery and an elegant minimalist design create an upscale atmosphere. The centerpiece of the interior is the intuitive 10.25-inch infotainment display, controlled via a rotary dial for ease of use. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with a premium Bose sound system ensure connectivity and entertainment on the go. The ergonomic seating and spacious cabin provide comfort for both the driver and passengers, making it a great choice for daily commutes and road trips alike. Safety remains a top priority in the 2025 Mazda 3, equipped with the latest iActiveSense safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking and a 360-degree camera system. These advanced technologies enhance both safety and driving confidence, ensuring a secure and smooth driving experience. With its blend of stylish design, engaging performance and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Mazda 3 continues to be a top contender in the compact car segment. Whether you are looking for efficiency or excitement, this car delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned for more reviews and updates, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for the latest automotive content.